What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Ulanzi ST-06 phone tripod mount with cold shoe. Model ST-06. It's a nice box, as you guys can see. Check that out. Okay, let's open the box and let's see what's inside. Okay, there's nothing else inside. Okay, let's remove the phone tripod mount from the bag. First impressions, it's very nice quality, as you guys can see. Check that out. Ulanzi. It's all plastic. Okay, guys, let's go through this phone mount. As you can see, we have the 1/4 screw hole to place it on your camera, on top of your camera, or in a tripod if you have one. Right here we have the wheel so we can adjust it. We have a knob right here on the bottom. When you release this, phone mount goes front and back. We have another 1/4 screw hole. We have right here the actual mount. If you can tell, there's a button right here to open it. There you go. It has two silicone pads. It's a soft material, doesn't scratch your phone. Okay, right here on top of the mount you can place a microphone, so you guys can see. Right here on top, this will do a 360. Okay, let's place my smartphone. I have a LG Stylo 4. I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna widen my screen right here because, yeah, you can see. I'm gonna place my smartphone and I'm gonna tie this pretty tight. Okay, it holds together the smartphone. Let's see, let's take a look from the side so you guys can see how much it holds the phone. See it from the back. From the sides. If you have the cover, it's not gonna work. It's gonna fall off. My cover is pretty thick. It's not gonna fit right there in the mount. It will fall off. So that's the downside of this. It's not too long. Pretty good. Let's do a 360 with the phone. So you can see, yeah, it works perfectly. Well, there's a problem right here. It's not gonna do a 360. It's okay. It's not bad. You can place your phone this way. Or from the sides. Okay, guys, there you have it. The Ulanzi phone tripod mount ST-06. Please comment below, like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about this. I'll talk to you later, guys.